Hey everybody, it's Lynn. I have a box here from Dollar Bead. So thought I'd come on here and share it with you. Um, excuse me. I get through all the packing. Goodness. Okay, I went a little crazy, y'all. As you can see. Goodness. All right. Well, let's just jump in and I'll find the prices as we go. Gosh. Okay. We have a 10 millimeter strand of blue crackle beads. And I'm looking for the price. Sorry, y'all. They were $1.20. As a matter of fact, all of these crackle beads were all the same price. And nope. These ones are $1.20, and all the rest of the strands like this are $1.10. This is in kind of like a smoky blue. And these are crackle beads. They're glass. They're man-made, but oh my goodness, they are pretty. So there's that. Here's the purple. So pretty. Very spring. As a matter of fact, I got two of the purple because I really liked that. And here is green. It's a pretty green. Very bright. Okay. And then we have two of these purple. Trying to find them. Oh, that one's got a rough spot. See that right there? Something sticking out of the glass. I'm sorry, you guys. I can't seem to find them. Okay, these were $1 per strand. Now, I will tell you, Dollar Bead is great and you can get some awesome things, but the quality is not as high as if you went to, one of our go-to beading stores. Here's the same kind of bead in gray. These are extremely pretty. Oh, okay. Look at these. These are called, I think they call them abstract beads. I'm not completely sure, but these are like a dusty mauve, and they have silver and fuchsia flakes on them. Very pretty. Okay, oh, here we got some more of these kind of beads. Look at that color. Here's another of the larger ones. Crackle. These are crackle. These are like a two-tone blue, and these are like a deep, I'd say cobalt. Either way, they're gorgeous. Okay, these, they called them, I think they called them carnation beads. Yeah. And they were $1.15 per strand. I have a project that we're going to be using these on, and I know y'all are going to love it. And these will be beautiful with it. Okay. And then I have more of the crackle in that real pretty blue, that kind of cobalt blue, but these are clear with the blue sprayed on them. So pretty. Okay. And I have this little strand of the pink and green. These were $1. Okay. Okay. I've already made a necklace with these, but oh my goodness, I love them so much that I reordered them. Oh, that's too bad. Look at that. It's got something all over it. It might come off. And I got 2 bags of these. It was 5. You get 5 per bag, and they were 88 cents per bag. No, I lied. They were $1 per bag. Okay. There's those. And then they had the very same thing in round, and they're the same price. These are so pretty, though. I just love them. That color pretty. Oh. Just want to crawl into it. All I'm doing is just putting the same beads together. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, then I got some pearls. And the pearls, oh goodness, were $1.05 per strand. Okay, these are 4 millimeter. And you get a generous amount, y'all. I mean, look at these strands. Isn't that pretty? And then, of course, I got classic white. These are actually pretty nice. I mean, you know, they're not preciosa by any means, but they are pretty. Okay, and then I got these little, oh, these came apart. Okay, well, we'll just take them off. These little clear cubinoids. Oh, the string is just breaking all to pieces. My goodness. I'll get that later. I've got them strewn everywhere because the string they were on broke. Oh gosh. Okay. These were also $1, I believe. And they're just oval, clear, but they have 2 holes. So how cute on a bracelet. You could do a double strand bracelet with them. Or you could do a double strand necklace, but they're very close. They'd be very close together. Okay. I'm not sure what these are. I think they're green aventurine. They're 6 millimeter. These were $1.15. And all it says on the description is gemstones. So I'm not sure. And then we have these clear beads. They're kind of a triangle shaped oval. They're really cute. No, they're 4 sides. And they were $1. I'm sorry, y'all. The little tube beads that I showed you, these ones, they were 50 cents. Okay. And we have these cubes, these big old cubes. Let me find them. These were $1.25 per bag, and I got 2 bags of them. And you get 6 per bag, but look how big they are, y'all. Okay, this I did not order. I don't know why it's here. I have no idea why I got this, y'all. I don't see it anywhere on here. I wonder if they substituted something. I don't particularly care for them, but it is what it is. Okay. I love these. That smoke gray. Be pretty with a lot of different things. Goodness gracious, I'm still picking up these 50-cent beads. Both the strings are broken and they have gotten these beads everywhere. I'll just have to go back and clean that up later. Okay, then we got chain, um, 40 inches for $1. Now this is really like that macaroni and cheese kind of gold. That's one bad thing is you can't really tell in looking online. And I got like 3 of these. And then we have these little gold spacer beads, little 6mm filigree hollow spacers. Cute. They were $1. And the same thing in silver. They're exactly the same. They were $1 each. And then I got some rose gold chain. This is very pretty. You could use this with, I got 2 of these. You could use it with copper also, even though it's rose gold. And these chains are stainless steel with the coating on them. Then I got some 4mm crimp covers. And they were, I want to say 50 cents, but oh, they were $1. Okay. And then I got wire guardians and they were $1 also. And then I have a different kind of chain here. A little bit bigger. This is great for like charm bracelets. If you want to do charm bracelets, it's good for that. Okay. Now, I don't know what happened to me with this order, y'all. I love these elephants. I think they're so pretty. I wound up with 3 of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with 3 elephants. I'm sure we'll figure it out though. And then I got some more of the same chain that I showed you a second ago in silver, and it's also stainless. Okay, we got this turquoise pendant. This is really pretty. There's a look at the back. This was $1. You believe that? Amethyst colored. I think this is just glass. Look at that. I don't know if I can get that off or not. No, I'll try. We'll see what happens. Okay. And then we have these big, I think they're 14mm. And these are the ones that have the frosting. I don't know if you can, oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. It's like a diamond pattern of frosting on them. Oh, I wish I'd have ordered more of those. Those are gorgeous. Take a look at that. I've got these things everywhere. Okay. I just looked at that. Okay. I also got wire guardians in silver, and they were $1. I don't know if it tells us how many. Well, I think they were $1, but I'm not sure. Okay. Okay. I thought these were really cute. They make an interesting pair of earrings or bracelet. They are curved just slightly. So yeah, that would make a really cute bracelet if you like that kind of thing. I know it's not for everybody. All right. Well, that's my haul from Dollar Bead, and all the stuff that I just showed you, all of these beads. My order came out to a total of $55.40. Now, I think that's pretty doggone good. What do you think? Look at that. I don't know what they put this on, but it's just shredding. Okay, well, that's it for now, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day or evening or whatever it is where you are. Um, thank you so much for checking out my videos. My channel is new. It's less than a month old, and I'm trying my best to build a little community here so that we can just kind of get together every now and then and have a real good time because I think it's fun to bead with your friends. So feel free to um, give the little video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'd love it if you subscribed so we could hang out together. All right, you guys. Well, that's it. I'm going to say goodbye for now, and we will be back soon with something really cool to make. Okay? All right, you guys take care. I'll see you soon.